Hi there. In this video, we will see how to set up Stripe CLI locally in Windows computer. So first of all, head over to the Stripe CLI download page and select the Windows operating system, and then click on this GitHub link. After that, navigate to the bottom and find this one, Stripe for Windows, and just download it. After downloading the zip file, extract it, and you will see this stripe.exe file. Now if you try to run this, if you try to double click on it and run it, then it will give the error that you must open the file in command prompt. So for that, you need to copy the path of file and open command prompt. There you can paste the path as it is, and then you can use commands like login or listen. So it's giving error. Stripe. If I run L. Okay, so this is Windows Powershell. We need to open it in command prompt. So I will open command prompt. And now I will paste the location and run Stripe login. And it will give me the link to authenticate and give access to the Stripe CLI. But right now we are pasting the path, which might not be a good idea if we use it frequently. So for that, we will add this in the system path. So make sure to copy the path, this one where this stripe.exe is located. Do not copy the path of stripes.exe, and then go to environment variables and then system variables, and at the bottom add it like this. So I had already added. Make sure that you just add tilde folder where stripe.exe is located. Do not add its complete, you do not add stripe.exe here. And then after that you can save, or alternatively you can open PowerShell as administrator and copy paste these commands. I will add it in the description. Now once Stripe is added in environment variable, you can directly run as Stripe and it will work. So I will run Stripe login and then enter. It will open in browser and ask me to authenticate. Okay, so it's asking me if I want which folder or which account of Stripe I want to allow access. So I will select chat PDF, which I have right now only one, so it's showing only one. And once access is granted, then here it will show the success message, and now you can use Stripe CLI. So let's use it with React and Node application. So here I have the React app running, and I will run this command, stripe listen command, and here I will change the port number to the port number of my node server and run it. Now it's listening, and now if I try to do the transaction, let's click on pay button. Here we see then it's trying to ping to the node server with the status of payment. Yeah, so that's how we can use Stripe CLI locally. Thanks for watching.